Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending wherever you are in the world. Samuel speaking here from Santa Capital. So today we're gonna be analyzing gold. So you know how we do it. We do the top-down analysis, starting up from weekly, then daily, then 4 hours, and then 1 hour. Okay, let's get onto it. So this is what we see here. This is our analysis, and that's how where we start from the weekly. We see that the previous week the market has done really well, has made a lot of moves, but then it closed or forming a pin bar, which is giving us an idea that the market might reverse from here all the way down to here, or it might just keep continuing. Maybe it's gonna, when it opens, it's gonna come down to this, we then go back up, continue with our analysis now, which is the bullish trend. Okay, but when you see, it is not clear on the weekly time frame, because here it's a lot of things that has happened in only on one candlestick. So we're gonna go down to the weekly, to the daily time frame, where we can better analyze what we saw on the weekly time frame. So what we see here is that on Thursday the market was moving sideways, forming these, what we see here, what we call a pin bar, which tells us that we should expect a reversal from the uptrend, which a pullback or reversal, just a pullback by our analysis, because this looks like a very strong uptrend to me. So what you see here, on Friday it went down, the market went down, which is good, and it's good for our setup, and it's good for our re-entries to the market, because when we see something that we see an opportunity to make money, so we have to wait and see how it reacts. So what we're expecting here on Monday, we're expecting to see, when you look at these on this daily time frame, you see that the market has been failing to break this level here, which is the top, what we call it the support, the resistance of the, for a couple of days, for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, for over a week. It's been failing to break that thing. Then on Wednesday last week, it broke up. After breaking, it sort of consolidated, forming this pin bar reversal pattern here. And indeed, on the Friday, the following day from here, it went down. So, which I believe it's retesting this level here, this level here, which is a zone, the zone that is here, this zone. But what we are not sure of is it only retesting the top part of this zone, or it's gonna go all the way down with to this bottom part of the zone. So we're not sure. We are not certain about that. So we have to wait and see how the market reacts. Then we can place our trades by looking at that. So because we've seen that now, if we go down to the H4 time frame, so we see the same thing that we saw there, but now on the larger scale. Because now we're looking at the smaller time frame. It's like we're magnifying what the market has been doing. So when we see here, we still see the same thing. Here's the level again, the top part of the zone. Here's the bottom part of the zone. This where the market is right now. The gold is. So the gold might go down to here to retest this level, or it might just go straight up from here. We're not sure. We have to wait and see how the markets open. So here we're analyzing the week of 19th to the 23rd of June 2021. So with that being said, so let's look at the H1 time frame to see if what we see here we're still gonna see on that smaller time frame. So what you see here, it is not clear because now we have zoomed in too much. Let's zoom out. When you zoom out on the H1 time frame, we see the same thing. If the level I was talking about, the top part of this zone, here's the bottom part. So what we need to see is how the market would react from here. Is it gonna go back up or is it gonna go in? If it goes below this, we wait until we see if it's gonna come and retest here. So if it comes in here and break up, we're not gonna do anything while it's still here. We're gonna wait until it trades above this level, then we can place our buy positions. Wish you all the best for the week ahead. As for now, Santo Capital is signing out.